Hi, I'm Jordan Baton from LimitState, and today I'll be explaining how to use the design domain component in Peregrine, the structural optimization plugin for Grasshopper. The design domain component is used to collate the geometry, material, and support data for entry into the problem specification component. The domain can either be specified as a truss or grillage. Please note that a professional license is required to specify grillage domain cases. A truss comprises an arrangement of triangulated elements in a 2D or 3D environment, which work primarily in tension and compression. A grillage comprises of a series of interconnected elements over a 2D planar surface with a common structural depth which work in bending. The mesh input to the component defines the geometry of the design domain, which takes a triangulated mesh. The input mesh must be 2D when the domain type is set to grillage. Multiple domains can be specified in a problem, which can be of differing types and can contain different materials. All interfaces between domains must be entire faces, entire edges, or singular points. The material input to the component accepts a user-defined set of material properties from the material component. The supports input accepts a collection of supports from the supports component. The nodal divisions input accepts an integer which defines the density of nodes assigned to the problem. Please note that many of the post-processing steps use the nodal division input. The cross-section input accepts either a CHS cross-section or an I-beam cross-section. The output to the component is a triangulated mesh describing the design domain. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our website.